Oh boy, it's that time of year again, swarm season. I come home from upstate and I have reports of a swarm. Look how high that thing is. To give you a reference, that is about level with the third floor window. My hives are up there. The swarm is up there. So, step number one, I baited this nuke box here with tasty honey on some empty frames. This is a very old frame, but nevertheless, theoretically, scout bees from up there are looking for it. And they'll come down here and suggest to the others that they come down. But we have a plan. Stand by.
Alright, Riley here, me. One of us has got to go up the tree and get the bees. So rock, paper, scissors. Loser goes up, or winner goes up.
Winner goes up.
Winner goes up, because the loser got to stay on the ground. Alright, so Riley won out on the rock, paper, scissors. He's going to climb on up.
Up here.
I'm going to suit up here, and we're going to get them things.
Alright, I just went through the hives and I found out that it came from this one right here. Ironically, it's not the biggest hive, but there was a queen cell in there that was wide open, and in fact I found a virgin queen crawling around on her own. Let's take a look at her here. I put her in a queen box for now. There she is. I just want the hive to think that they still have a queen because I'm planning to, if we successfully catch the swarm, I'm planning to do a newspaper combo back in here. So where is the swarm as seen from here? It is in that tree. Right down there. Let's see if we can get a view. We've cut a tunnel of branches about right there. Alright, Riley and Martin have done paper, scissors, rock and decided that Riley gets to go up. We're back here in the ground. Martin has skillfully cut a channel all the way up to the swarm, channel free of branches.
Good work, Marty.
Hopefully we'll be able to get all the way down there. Luckily I have two suits. I'm just wearing a cheapy veil since I'm the least scared of bee stings. Not that these guys are scared, but alright, let's see what we can do. Alright, up he goes. We reviewed safety on this one. No swarm is worth undue risk. So if he feels himself falling, he should just throw it. And we're waiting down here with the box.
Go up the back side of the trunk. I think it'll be your best bet.
Alright, we had made the decision to take the big branch, so we're going to get a saw up to him.
Yep.
That way he won't have to climb out on a limb. He's already on a limb, so to speak. There goes Martin with the saw.
With a saw. Taking it right below your hand there, or what?
Bees can tolerate some vibration, but if that branch gets shaken vigorously, they'll all come tumbling down.
Slow and steady is what they say.
Clearing some more branches from below.
See, I feel like since you're right there, you could just snip at it. But I can't snip that thing with this. Oh, I see, that whole thing needs to come. Yeah, I'd cut it where you were then.
Alright, here we go with the branch
The
cut.
guy looks like one of those guys in Dr. Seuss holding onto the branch above where it's sitting.
Yeah. He sits on a branch and saws it off next to the tree.
Falls off the way it's standing.
What percentage is it cut?
About 95, 99. Last little bit here.
So it'll either be successful or a
branch
shower
is
of bees
loose.
will come down.
It's loose, and he's literally just holding it up with his own hand.
Right.
And if he cuts,
Oh boy, yeah, I see that.
it's still stuck though, so you can't let him in.
Just the bark is holding it?
Yeah, there's some little fibers in there.
Good grief. What are you holding on to? Holy cow. Lots of bees, lots of bees.
Alright, that'll chill.
All right. Is that branch free and clear?
Yep.
Nice. Yeah, just let them settle down and then do your pass thing. You want to drop the saw?
It's on a hooker.
They don't have an angry bee sound when they're swarming like this.
The book says that they're tame.
Most of them stayed wet.
Got there. Actually, most
When
of
they
them landed
swarm.
on me or else.
I think they did too.
Get rid of this saw.
We can actually do a three-way pass.
Yeah, we're probably gonna.
I'll put on gloves.
Might not be able to film this next part. At this point, you might want to just clip that little branch off, right? Just foot above it, right on it is better. All right.
Okay, good. When you're sure you're right above it.
I'm gonna wait till Riley's here.
Awesome, we got this thing.
Okay.
Give it a good hard.
Good.
Give it a good hard shake.
2, 1.
They're in. They're in. Now lay the branch on top, or give it a couple more shakes.
Okay. Another shake. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Probably clip those branches off, and just lay the branches themselves on top, because those branches have scent. I don't know if the camera can see this, but we have bees everywhere.
Yeah, you'll be able to see it later. Yeah.
We'll lay those on for the evening, and then I'll come out later when it's dark, and we'll shake them off all the way. Ooh.
That's good. That's it.
Let's go.
All right, we got that.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Riley. Thanks, Martin.
Check out that.
We got that. All right, so the theory is that these branches are full of scent from the swarm, and we'll keep them on here so they think that they're still on it, and they'll go into the hive. Look at these guys fanning.
I'm pretty sure the queen's in there. They're all trying to.
Yeah.
It's just panning right
A lot of humming going on here. These guys will find their way up. They're already using the entrance. Okay.
It's a good day.
3 cheers. We got it. Okay, it's the next morning, and I went down to the back, and it was all cold. And while it was still cold, I pulled the branches out from underneath the lid, slipped it down tight, strapped it, put toilet paper in the front to seal up the hole briefly, and there it is, back on top of the hive where it had come from yesterday. So we'll just take the plug out, and they're free to go. In a few days I'm going to combine it. You can call it fooling nature, or you can call it saving the bees. But anyways, that's beekeeping in the city.